So to get us through these next few days and weeks, we bought a few more grocery items, and like you, I'm sure, we have nowhere to put them. So I want to create some space in my pantry, which is a complete disaster, I have to tell you. So I want to take some things out, find a new spot for those, and the items that I currently have on my kitchen counter, I want to put them in this pantry area that's just slightly off our kitchen. You can't quite see it, but it's just a few steps off our kitchen. So stay tuned and watch me as I do some magic in this little pantry area. I want to make some space on these shelves. I have items here that really for the time being can go somewhere else, probably in our garage. So I'm going to take these out. I'm going to do some decluttering. If there are things in these shoe boxes, these are clear shoe boxes that I no longer need, I'm going to also declutter and purge, because there's no time like the present to get this done. And then I'm going to start working my way down methodically these shelves, decluttering, purging, and then making enough space for items that I really need to go in here. This is the perfect time to check any expiration dates on your first aid or anything else that you've got in your storage. So, just expired. So I'm going to look through each of these and I guess throw them away if they're expired. We definitely have more cans in at the moment than we normally would. What I want to do is separate them out according to categories. So all beans together, all soups together, and then put them back like we like, so I know exactly what we have. And stay tuned for another tip that I'm going to do. Once everything's off the shelf, this is the perfect time to give them a good thorough wipe, especially at the moment. So that's what we're going to do, and then I'm going to do some strategizing of what I'm going to put back where. Everything's being pulled out, as you can maybe see from the angle you're at. This pantry, the walls were sorely in need of some good painting. I think my husband was supposed to do it when we first moved in 5 years ago. I think he forgot, so we'll be having words later. We may record those, just for fun. Feeling much better about my pantry. I made the first shelf snacks and cookies, of which we're really too low on. I mean, 2 boxes of cookies, that's just not going to do it. And then the second one, just miscellaneous items. I've got my Nutella here, very important. Vegetable broth that we have, and the next one down is all of our cans. I put all like together, all beans together, all soups together. I know exactly what I have now. Before I had soups and beans in 2 different places. Wasn't quite sure of my inventory. Now I am. And then down at the bottom I've got all of the chips, and at the very bottom drinks. I'm feeling so much better. And then the items that were in here before, I am going to relocate to different places around the house and inform the whole family of where the new locations are, so no one keeps whining that I moved the first aid box to somewhere else.